have built extensive learning landscape to address our changing learning needs. And deep skilling is one of the most important aspects to this. Coursera is our most important deep skilling part. There are a lot of ways Coursera helps us to drive innovation. Some of these are specially curated courses under skill set and skill evaluation using level sets. Coursera also has a job skills report which gives us a good insight on latest trends in the industry, fastest humans and digital skills, which helps our employees to keep up to date and relevant. Continuous learning is the key enabler to retain and develop talent. Coursera's learning in the flow of work approach matches our philosophy. Their unique learning formats like guided projects, clips, and lessons, and their mobile app actually helps our employees to learn at their convenience and at the go. So Coursera is certainly a key partner in democratizing learning that keeps our employees engaged, productive, and future ready. We care for our employees and their families, and therefore we have extended unlimited Coursera access to our family members as well. So now the loved ones of our colleagues can acquire the best knowledge and skills to advance in their career. So this is India's first and the world's largest Coursera implementation for families. And you see that Coursera has not only helped our employees but also their family members.